Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we're talking the #1 anti-aging skincare ingredient of 2025. If I told you an ingredient exists over the counter that can plump and hydrate the skin, give a 17% reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, and not break the bank at the same time, you'd probably call me a liar, but I'm not. That ingredient exists, and it's this, Argireline. Now, Argireline was popularized by the Ordinary Argireline Solution, which went viral around 5 or 6 years ago, but it's now found in so many different serums and creams. Argireline is a wonderful peptide that can really help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and the best thing about it, it works instantly. No waiting around for those long-term results, just a quick fix that can shave 5 years off the look of our skin and boost our skin confidence. I've been an advocate for the use of Argireline for the past 5 years, but over that time, I've really honed in on how to use it most effectively in order to drive forward those results and the very best products that contain it. And I want to share all in today's video. Sit back, relax, let's talk all things Argireline skincare. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts and opinions when it comes to Argireline, but I want to hear yours. Sound off in the comments section below and let me know your Argireline before and afters and how it worked for your own skin. This is actually the 5th year anniversary today of me first speaking about the Ordinary Argireline Solution here on the channel. That video went viral, and I know so many of you guys actually found the Mad About Skin family through the Argireline content. If you did, make sure to let me know by reaching down and leaving the star emoji in the comments. That way I can thank you for being part of this wonderful community, which honestly I am so grateful to have. I've got a lot to cover in today's video, so I think it's time we just cut that waffle and we delve straight on in. So Argireline, what is it and what can it do for our skin? Well, Argireline is actually a peptide, and there are so many different peptides that find their way into our skincare routine. But Argireline is specific in that it actually acts on the movement in our skin to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It works best on dynamic fine lines and wrinkles, those that are actually caused by movement, and it will deliver in a similar way that injectable botox does. It's for this reason that Argireline has become termed botox in a bottle, and I'm going to come on to later in the video how accurate that term actually is. However, in a nutshell, Argireline can give a very temporary but immediate reduction in those fine lines and wrinkles, and one recent study actually showed that on average, this led to a 17% reduction in the depth of wrinkles, which is noticeable, and the best thing is, it works in under 10 minutes. So if you're somebody that likes a quick fix, you want those instant results, and you don't have the patience to wait for that long-term anti-aging, I think Argireline could be a must-have in your skincare routine. For me, it's an ingredient that I use for those instant results alongside other ingredients that are going to give me those long-term payoffs, and that way I'm getting the best of both worlds. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how, through my own 5-year Argireline journey, I've learned to use this ingredient to maximize the results and some of my favorite Argireline containing products. But first, let's tackle the elephant in the room, the term botox in a bottle. Now, of course, this is just a marketing term which brands and content creators like to put out there to draw the eye. And it certainly is an eye-catching term, because who doesn't love the idea of applying something topically to the skin that's going to give the same results of botox? However, let's set our expectations right. Whilst it will give an immediate reduction in those fine lines and wrinkles, and like I say, that study actually showed an average of 17% reduction in the wrinkles, which is proven, and I think just adds to what was already anecdotal evidence that this is an ingredient that genuinely delivers. However, it is short term. You really want to use your Argireline alongside other anti-aging ingredients in order to get those quick wins and those long-term results. Botox obviously has much greater longevity and tends to be more potent as it's an injectable treatment. However, I do definitely love the way that Argireline can definitely deliver in a much more price-sensitive way. Botox can be a bit pricey, Argireline super inexpensive, and a lot more less invasive way too. You know, we slap this on our skin, it doesn't need medical intervention or injectables, and so it's definitely a low price point option that we can reach for. Good thing is as well, if you're somebody that already has Botox and likes your injectable treatments, that Argireline is actually proven to be able to extend the life between your Botox treatments. You use it alongside injectable Botox and it'll just make it last that little bit longer. So you don't need your top-ups quite as frequently, and that way you can save some of your hard-earned coin. Whether you use Botox or you avoid it, I genuinely think Argireline has a place in your skincare routine, and this is how I personally would choose to use it. So first and foremost, as I've just said, make sure you use your Argireline alongside other ingredients which are going to give a long-term benefits. I'm for a quick win. I'm impatient, I like to get those instant results, and Argireline definitely gives you that. But also, we do need to be mindful that to get maximum anti-aging, we need to look for those long-term results too. And I think the very best way of achieving that is to make sure you reach for a product that has other pro-collagen peptides alongside that Argireline. That way, any serum that you apply will give you that instant Argireline fix, but will also give you that long-term pro-collagen boosting peptide action. And this for me is win-win-win, ding, ding, ding. I'm going to come on to some of my favorite Argireline and Matrixyl combo serums later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. My second tip that I want to share with you though is to make sure you're using your Argireline twice a day. This study, which showed a 17% reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, did so when applied twice daily. Argireline has roughly 24-hour mechanism of action, so if you're using it on a morning, you're getting those quick wins, wrinkle reduction, but if there'll still be some active in the skin from the night before, that way you're just getting the maximum results and the best performance. Definitely use it twice a day, and because most Argireline serums are super inexpensive, it doesn't break the bank to do that. Another tip I can share with you is to just know that it only actually works on dynamic fine lines and wrinkles, so those caused by movement. It's going to be most effective when we talk to the crow's feet, we talk about the 11s and the laughter lines. These are all wrinkles which are caused by movement in the skin, which Argireline is going to be the very best at targeting. So whilst I still use my Argireline all over the face, just know that it works best on those movement-induced wrinkles. It's not that effective when it comes to overall loss of laxity or firmness and elasticity. You need to use other peptides to firm and lift, which again, I think is just further proof that you need to use Argireline and other peptides together in a single formulation to get the very best results. Finally, when it comes to how to use Argireline, don't overstress it. I see so many people saying you can't use it with this, you can't use it with the other, and I don't know where this narrative comes from. Argireline is a stable peptide. You can use it with every single active in your skincare routine, from your retinoids through to your vitamin C's. You can use Argireline alongside it. I think a lot of us are worried and a bit fearful when it comes to layering and pairing, but don't be. Argireline is stable, and whilst there are some peptides that are a little bit more, lend themselves more to compromise if you use them alongside certain actives, Argireline isn't one of them. So layer it on the skin as part of your skincare routine, and I think it's best to use it straight after cleansing. Cleanse the skin, apply your Argireline, and then go on with the rest of your skincare routine. And that way, this little botox in a bottle gem is really close to the skin, absorbing and getting to work in that 10-minute gap. So when you finish your skincare routine, you'll already be seeing the difference. Now, over the last 5 years, I've experimented with a lot of different Argireline solutions, and I'm here to say I think the Ordinary Argireline Solution 10% is still a wonderful, wonderful product. If you want to keep it super inexpensive, get your Argireline fix on a budget. You can pick this up for around £10, something like $11. Doesn't break the bank, and it definitely delivers that Argireline hit and those immediate anti-aging results. However, if you want to take it to the next level, I think it's definitely worth investing in a product that has Argireline alongside other pro-collagen peptides to maintain those quick wins, but also deliver some long-term anti-aging benefits too. And these are some of the ones that I would recommend. First up, I absolutely love this. This is the COSRX, the 6 Peptide Skin Booster. This is a Korean skincare brand, and I think this is one of the very best multi-peptide formulations. You've got your Argireline, you've got your Matrixyl in here, which is going to be pro-collagen, and you've also got NAG and amino acids. Both of these over time are going to promote and stimulate collagen production, and so this really is an anti-aging powerhouse. Super inexpensive. I think I paid about £18 for this, so it doesn't break the bank, and I think this is a really nice lightweight serum that you can use to just get your Argireline fix alongside that long-term anti-aging. Of course, I love Argireline so much that when it came to creating my own skincare line, I infused it in a number of different products. So from the Mad About Skin range, there are 2 products that contain Argireline. This is the Mad About Skin Copper Peptide Serum, and this is the Multi-Active Super Serum. Now, I use the Multi-Active Super Serum on a morning because it's like a skincare routine in one. You've got your azelaic acid to calm and soothe. You've got your peptides, including Argireline for anti-aging. You've got your antioxidants in here, and you've got vitamin C, which is really just going to brighten and lift the complexion. Everything you need for your morning skincare routine, and like I say, packed full of that dose of Argireline. Then on an evening, I'll go in with a copper peptide serum. This actually has a higher dose of Argireline alongside that matrixyl, which I said was the perfect pairing to go with your Argireline to give you those long-term results, and copper peptides too. This really is a peptide powerhouse serum that, as you sleep, is going to nourish, plump and hydrate, but really get your collagen production into overdrive. You can use one or the other of these, or you can use them morning and evening, which I think will give you the very best results. It's up to you. But if you did want to try either of these, by the way, I have left a discount code down in the description box below to get you 25% off, just to shave a little coin off your peptide skincare. And yeah, like I say, this is a duo I use to make sure I'm never missing out on that Argireline fix, and I'm getting it morning and evening. Another firm favourite of mine would be the Naturium Advanced Multi-Peptide Serum. Again, you've got your matrixyl in here, you've got your Argireline, and you've got a host of other different peptides too. This is really lightweight and again, super inexpensive, so it doesn't break the bank. It delivers that hit of different peptides in a really cost-conscious way. I love this serum, and I think it's probably one of my favourite launches that the Naturium have come out with. For me, it's great for people that want a super lightweight serum and they want one that they can use morning and evening. This is a really great flexible option and one of my personal favourites. And finally, let's talk the Geek and Gorgeous Power Peptides. This is a beautiful emulsion, which I think gives slightly more hydrating results than some of the other recommendations I've given you. So if you have a drier skin type and want a little extra hydration with your peptide fix, I think the Geek and Gorgeous Power Peptides would be a wonderful option to reach for. This has encapsulated copper peptides like the Mad About Skin Copper Peptide Serum. It also has that matrixyl and matrixyl synth, which is a newer generation matrixyl, to really get you the maximum pro collagen results. Super inexpensive like the rest of the recommendations, and this is one of my absolute favorite serums that I tend to reach for in the winter when my skin needs a little extra hydration, because that rich emulsion really does help. And like I say, Geek and Gorgeous, one of my favorite skincare brands, and this is one of my favorite products from my favorite brand. So yeah, you can't go wrong with this one. Whatever product you reach for, however you get your Argireline fix, know that I genuinely believe it's an essential in just about everyone's skincare routine. Who doesn't want a quick win? An immediate reduction in fine lines and wrinkles and a boost to our skin confidence. If you do, Argireline, for me at least, is a no-brainer. I've been using it consistently for the past 5 years, and whilst I love the results, I now understand better how to use it, making sure I'm getting it twice a day in my morning and evening skincare routine, that I'm using it alongside other peptides to get those long-term anti-aging results, not just those quick wins, and choosing a product that contains multiple peptides alongside that Argireline to really amp up the volume of anti-aging and get the maximum results. The good news is you don't need to break the bank. There are so many affordable Argireline and multi-peptide serums out there, and hopefully by sharing with you my personal favourites, it just helps you guys to choose one for your own skincare routine. I am so grateful for all your love, your kindness and support over the past 5 years. You guys mean the world to me, and I just want to say at this point in the video, before I get too soppy, just thank you from the bottom of my heart for being with me on this Argireline journey. And yeah, just without you guys, I wouldn't be sat here today 5 years later, so thank you. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.